If the entries in a 3 by 3 determinant are either 0 or 1, then the greatest value of the determinant is. How do we get the greatest value? Means put the least values in the principal diagonal and the other highest values in other places. So if you take, this is principal diagonal because it is 3 by 3 matrix. The entries are 0 and 1. So 0, 0, 0. Principal diagonal 0. In the remaining places you keep 1. Find the value of the determinant. 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0. So 1 plus 1. So the greatest value of the determinant will be 2. That is the way of finding the determinant when 2 entries are given. If A, B, C are 3 square matrices of same order satisfying A square is equal to A inverse, and let B is equal to A power 2 power n, and C is equal to A power 2 power n minus 2, n belongs to the set of natural numbers, then find the dead B minus C, that is given. Now take the condition A square is equal to A inverse. Okay. Now you take B. B is equal to A power 2 power n. This can be written as A power 2 into 2 power n minus 1. A power m into A power n is A power m plus n. Again you get 2 power n. So A square whole power 2 power n minus 1. Because A power m whole power n is equal to A power mn, and we are having A square is A inverse. Instead of this A square we put A inverse here. A inverse whole power 2 power n minus 1. Okay, now A inverse whole square 2 power n minus 2 I write, because again A power m into A power n is equal to A power m plus n, you get 2 power n minus 1. It's not a problem. And A inverse whole square whole power A inverse whole square whole power 2 power n minus 2. We have with us the formula A inverse whole power n is equal to A power n whole inverse. Why? This is the question. If you take A inverse whole power n means A into A into A into n times whole inverse. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse, our formula. So A inverse, A inverse, A inverse, how many times you get? N times. That is A inverse whole power n. So A inverse whole power n is equal to A power n whole inverse. So we can take A square inside and inverse outside, interchange, whole power 2 power n minus 2. Why it is changed? Due to this formula. Instead of A square, again we write A inverse. A inverse whole power 2 power n minus 2. A inverse whole inverse is A power 2 power n minus 2. A power 2 power n minus 2 is C. So B is nothing but C. B minus C is equal to 0. Dead B minus C is equal to 0. So dead B minus C is equal to 0. Second choice. If A is a non-zero square matrix of order n with det I plus A not equal to 0, means if the determinant of I plus A not equal to 0 means I plus A whole inverse exists. That is known. A cube is equal to 0, that is null matrix. So adding I both sides, I plus a cube is equal to I plus 0, that is I plus O, null matrix. So this I cube is also I. So a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to identity matrix. I plus a into I minus a plus a square is equal to I. If you consider this is a matrix X and this is Y, xy is equal to y means y is the inverse of x and x is the inverse of y. So what is I plus a whole inverse? What is x inverse? This is I minus a plus a square. So I plus a whole inverse is what? I minus a plus a square. That is first choice. A and B are square matrices of same order. Okay. And A is a non-singular. Non-singular means det A not equal to 0. That means A inverse exists. Then for a positive integer n, what is A inverse BA whole power n? For instance, I take n is equal to 2. What happens? A square is A into A. So consider this is a single matrix. A inverse BA into A inverse BA. We write so. So matrix multiplication is associative. We take A into A inverse BA. A inverse B. A into A inverse is identity matrix. Into B you have BA. So A inverse B square A. See here, A inverse BA whole square, A inverse B square A. If by induction A inverse BA whole power n we can write A inverse B power n A. A inverse B power n A is third choice. Determinant or is the representation for the first column, that is 1, 2r, 2r minus. Remaining are in n. dr is equal to 1, 2r, 2r minus 1, n square plus n plus 2, n square plus n square plus n plus 2. Okay. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n dr. That means we take sigma here. So what happened? Sigma r is equal to 1 to n dr. We take directly here. Sigma d1. That is r is equal to 1 to n. Same n. Take here 2 sigma 1 to n r. Here n square plus n plus 2, n square plus n. Take here 2r minus 1, sigma 1 to n, 2r minus 1, n square plus n plus 2. For your convenient I wrote here, but actually not required. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n times you write, then automatically it becomes n. Okay. Then here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n is n into n plus 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. You get n into n plus 1. Right? Third one. 2r minus 1. Sum of odd number of terms. Sum of odd number of terms is n square. For your convenience, right? 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. That is 2 terms 2 square, 3 terms 3 square, 4 terms 4 square. N terms n square. That is shortcut. So if you subtract one from the other, C2 implies C2 minus C1. The value is actually given as 48 here. You write C2 implies C2 minus C1. n same, n square plus n same, n square same, n minus n 0, n square plus n plus 2, n square minus n square plus n gets cancelled, you get 2, n square minus n square 0, and C3 implies C3 minus C1. Okay, no problem. N minus n is 0, n square plus n square plus n is 0, n square plus n plus 2 minus n square is n plus 2. That is equal to 48. If you take the determinant in this manner, n into 2 into n plus 2, that is equal to 48, 24. n square plus 2n minus 24 is equal to 0. 4 6 are. So n plus 6 into n minus 4 is equal to 0. n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4 is first choice. So the value of n is 4. A is a 3 by 3 non-singular matrix and det A is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Determinant of 1 by 81, adjoint of 2 adjoint 3A. We have with us adjoint KA is equal to K power n minus 1 adjoint A, that is formula. Keep it in mind. Here if you write adjoint 3A, 3 power n is what? 3. 3 minus 1 adjoint A, that is 3 square 9. 9 into adjoint A. First thing over. Again you are having 2 here. So adjoint of 2, adjoint 3A, instead we write 2 into adjoint A. Okay. Adjoint of 18 adjoint A. Observe here. Again it is K. What you have to write? K power 18 power, that is 3 minus 1 adjoint A. That is adjoint of adjoint A. Okay. So this is 18 square. We write 1 by 81. 18 square adjoint of adjoint A, that is final. 18 square, so 9 square into 2 square by 9 square 81. 9 square gets cancelled. Adjoint of adjoint A. Okay. 2 square is 4. Determinant Ka is equal to K power n into det A, that is our formula. You get 2 square is 4. 4a means K power means 4 cube, because it is n by n. Determinant of adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A, det A whole power n minus 1 whole square. 64 into det A 1 by 2 whole power. This is 3 minus 1 2. 2 2s are 4. That is 64 into 1 by 16. 4. So your answer is 4. Observe carefully. Adjoint Ka is K power n in n minus 1 into adjoint A. Once 3 is taken, n means the n by n matrix, we get 9 adjoint A. So 9 means 2 9s are 18. Again you have to take Ka, K power n minus 1 adjoint of adjoint A square. So simplification you get det Ka is equal to K power n into det A, that is 4 cube into determinant of adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A formula is det A whole power n minus 1 whole square. That is det A, n means 3 minus 1 2, 2 2s are 4. On simplification you get 4. So observe carefully while using the formula and learn thoroughly in the formula there itself, in the question itself you observe the formula and digest it. Okay. A is a square matrix of order 3 such that det A is equal to 2. Okay. Determinant of adjoint A inverse whole inverse is, actually adjoint A inverse is adjoint A whole inverse, the formula. So here you write adjoint A whole inverse. So A inverse whole inverse is A inverse whole inverse is A. So similarly you get adjoint A whole inverse is adjoint A. This is det A whole power n minus 1. Det A is 2, whole power n minus 1, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4. So your answer is for third choice. So you can use the formula. This is very, very, very important. You can solve in another way also, but this one is very, very, very simple and you can use it.